Number 1, it is something that you possess that refers to your physical self.
Personal physical self, body.
Body.
Writing? Body.
Number 2, what does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Pass.
Any guess?
Pass na. Wala talaga. Nalimutan ko.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
DNA?
DNA.
Hindi ko talaga alam ano niya, meaning. Kalimutan ko na.
Number 3, it is a sexual activity that people engage in
Marital sex.
masturbation.
Marriage. Ay. Engagement?
Number 4, what reproductive organs in both sexes are responsible for creating the eggs and the sperm?
Ovary and testes.
I forgot. Pass.
Testes and... ano daw? Ovary. Tama ba? Ovary.
Next, give at least 3 examples of STD or sexually transmitted diseases.
Chlamydia, syphilis, HIV.
HIV.
Herpes,
Yung dalawa lang parang siya na
HIV. Wait lang. Isa na naaalala ko. Yun lang. Isa lang. HIV. AIDS. Wala yun lang.
it is when a child's body begins to develop and change as they transition into adulthood.
puberty.
Puberty.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ang sasabihin ko. Puberty ba? Teenage?
What?
Give at least one of the 3 main reproductive hormones in humans.
Sperm cell?
Double kill.
Estrogen.
Testosterone.
Wala akong alam.
True or false? Self-esteem is true opinion we have of ourselves and how we respect ourselves as a person.
True.
Self-esteem is our opinion of ourselves.
True.
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 In Sigmund Freud's psychoanalysis, his construction of self and personality makes the physical body the core of human experience.
True. Wala ko alam kay Sigmund Freud.
Ano answer mo?
False.
True.
True.
What does this pride flag represents? What group of people this pride flag represents?
I don't know. I don't know anything about pride.
Any wild guess?
Probably asexual people, non-binary.
Kasi hindi ko siya alam. Transgender?
Hindi ko siya alam. Pero, opinion,
Wild guess.
I guess, walang sex, non-binary. It's innate that we reproduce.